Hello students, take your book An Alien Hand. In that book you will find the chapter 1 there, the tiny teacher. So let's start the question and answer. So take your book and find the page number 1 for the lesson and 3 for the comprehension check. So in comprehension check section the first question is the story of an ant's life sound almost untrue. The italicized phrase means three options have given here. The first one is highly exaggerated, second one is too remarkable to be true, the third one is not based on facts. The right answer is the italicized phrase means too remarkable to be true. Question number second, an ant is the smallest. See, I have given the answers directly. An ant is the smallest, the commonest, and the wisest insect. Second, we know a number of facts about an ant's life because people have kept ants as pets and have watched their daily behavior closely. Next, question number 3. In what ways is an ant's life peaceful? The answer is an ant's life is peaceful because each ant does its share of work intelligently and bravely and never fights with other members of the group. Each member has a designated place to stay and definite work to do. A soldier ant never goes out to search for food, and similarly, a worker never enters the domain of a soldier ant. No worker or soldier has ever harmed any grub. Each one loyally and diligently does his duty and relentlessly carries on which they work peacefully. They know sharing and contribution and do not interfere in each other's works. In these ways, ants' life becomes peaceful. Next, on page number 5, again comprehension check section, the first question is how long does it take for a grub to become a complete ant? The answer is after 2 or 3 weeks, a grub becomes a cocoon. After another 3 weeks, the cocoon breaks and a complete ant appears. On the same page, question number 2, why do the worker ants carry the grub about? The answer is the worker ants carry the grubs about daily for airing, exercising, and sunshine. On page number 5, the third question is what jobs are new ants trained for? The answer, the new ants are trained as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. Next, on the same page, question number 4, name some other creatures that live in anthills. Answer, some other creatures that live in anthills are beetles, lizardbreds of ant, and the green fly. Question number 5. Mention 3 things we can learn from the tiny teacher. Give reason for choosing these items. The right answer is we can learn from the tiny teacher our sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness, and loyalty to the land where they live. If I tell more, we can learn teamwork from them. We can learn to do hard work from them. We can learn the power of cohesive work. I choose these items because the qualities that ants have, human lacks. We should learn a lot of things from ants. The most quality I like is unity in everything. On page number 5, exercise is there. In that, the first question, what problems are you likely to face if you keep ants as pets? Answer, if you keep ants as pets, the problem would be plenty. First of all, where would you keep them as they are so tiny? And then how would you track them? And the most important of all is that they would bite you whenever they want. They are too tiny to keep watch on it. They may bite and can cause an itchy skin. We cannot make safe and suitable home for them like for a dog we do. Second question, When a group of bees finds nectar, it informs other bees of its location, quantity, etc. through dancing. Can you guess what ants communicate to their fellow ants by touching one another's feelers? Yes, answer is the ants touch the feelers and tell each other about the location of the food. Page number 6. Complete the following poem with words from the box below. Then recite the poem. So I have given answers directly. Find it out. Soldiers live in barracks and birds in nests. Much like a snake that rests in a hole, no horse is able to sleep except in a stable. And a dog lives well, mind you, only in a kennel. To say hi to an ant if you will, you may have to climb an anthills. So these are the answers that I have given you. The next lesson I am going to upload soon. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on my channel. And see if you have any doubts. So be free to comment. Thank you very much.